With this anti-aging cryofacial, you will notice visible depuffing, calming, toning, and brightening benefits easily at home. Hi loves, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. For best results, do this on clean, moisturized skin with a clean ice roller. Starting the cryofacial from the neck can be a little intense, so we're going to start from our forehead and work our way down. There are two sides, and we're going to start with this side first. We're going to work on our forehead and temples, like this, from the center of your forehead, light to medium pressure, and come out to your temples here on the side. Shoulders back and down, and come back to the center, like so, and out to your temples. Great for releasing tension here. And if you release tension here, you'll notice that your masseters will be more relaxed too. Back to the center. And then to your temples. Great for toning and smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles on your forehead and releasing tension headache. Release. Switch, other side. Light to medium pressure to your temples here. Spine nice and long and straight. Back to your center. And out to your temples. Breathe here. Back to the center. And to your temples. Release. Now we're going to work on our upper cheeks, like this. Going back and forth on your upper cheek here. This feels so calming for your cheeks, which tends to be more sensitive than other parts of your face. And then out to the edge, wiggle. 2 more. Feels so amazing here. And wiggling on the edge. Wiggling helps you activate acupressure benefits, improve your circulation, lymphatic drainage, and helps you release tension. Third. To the edge. And release. Switch, other side. Same thing. Gently rolling back on your cheeks here. Great for soothing visible redness and inflammation. And out to the edge. Wiggle back and forth. 2 more. To the edge. Last one. And to your edge of the face. And release. Now we're going to work on our mouth area. This is great for releasing mouth lines and wrinkles and help to tone this area. Going back and forth. Release. Now we're going to work on our lower face. Two more. Great for releasing your marionette and smile lines here. And out to the edge. One more. And on the edge, going back and forth. Release. Switch, other side. To the edge. Wiggling back and forth. Second. And out to the edge, wiggle. This is great for depuffing your whole face. Last one. Release. Now we're going to release our masseter muscles like this. Back and forth here. Giving our jaw a break here from all the eating, chewing, talking, grinding, clenching. Keep releasing here. Release. Switch. Same thing on the other side. Your one side of the masseters might be a little bit tense or tender, so just be aware and give love and care that it needs and adjust pressure as needed. And release. Now we're going to work on our neck area, so please use gentle light pressure. And coming up here, like this. Great for neck lifting and double chin prevention. Release. Switch, other side. Gently on your neck. And coming up here. And release. We're switching to this side. And we're going to work on our eye area, so please use gentle light pressure like this. Close your eyes and gently roll back and forth and out to the edge, back to the inner corner and back out. Like so, gently. And come back to the center of your eye here like so, and allow the coolness to really soothe and calm your eyes. And release. This side is already more lifted, it's more awake, and it's less tired. Switch. Let's do the other side. Gently on your eyes here. Great for giving your eyes a break, especially from using computer and laptop and smartphones and TV. And back to the center and just gently allow the coolness to calm your eyes. And release. Now we're going to define our cheekbones. So we're going to align like so with this edge to your cheekbone, like this. And wiggle on the edge. 2 more. Lifting and sculpting here. And release. I can already tell this side is already more defined than the other side. Switch, other side. And release. Now we're going to define our jawline. On your ears, go back and forth here. This is very soothing. Release. 2 more. Last. Release. Switch, other side. Two more. Last one. And release. Now we're going to work on the center of our face. Use gentle light pressure here. And up to your eye area here. This feels so amazing for releasing tension here and great for releasing frown lines. And up to your hairline here. 2 more. Like so. Come up like this. And to your hairline. Last one. To your hairline. And release. Now we're going to work the side of our neck and traps like this. This is so amazing for releasing tension here, especially if you have some posture corrections you can use. When we're not being aware of our posture, we carry a lot of tension here. 2 more. So throughout the day, try to bring awareness to your posture. Last one here. This and release. Switch, other side. Also great for those of you who work out quite a bit with weightlifting or resistance training. This helps release a lot of tension that tends to build up here. Second, third, and release. Now we're going to release it all down towards our heart like this. Switch. And release. I hope you look and feel amazing. You can do this anti-aging cryofacial in the morning or at night, whichever works best for you. This routine is perfect, especially during the hot, humid seasons. If you found this video helpful, check out our face massages and exercises playlist. Thank you for your love and support. Take care.